guys, it's Cricket, and I'm at Comfort Inn Manhattan-Midtown West, and I'm about to do a room review of room 805. Guys, this is the smallest room we have ever stayed in, except for the one that we had in Miami. So as you see, when you come in, you got the exit strategy on the back of the door. You have your iron and your ironing board. Then you have a large size mirror. And this is body lotion. You have a hair dryer. Nice artwork right there. And then the bathtub and shower. And then you also have conditioner and shampoo. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is the smallest bathroom and smallest room we've been in a long time. Look, the door hits the toilet. This is crazy. And this room cost us $362. We're paying for the location because it's right down from the cruise port. Full length mirror. You have a seat here where you're gonna hang your clothes. Television. Look at this space, y'all. And this is your microwave and your refrigerator. And that's my William. Sitting over there, we have a desk and a phone. You have a Keurig, some more artwork.
That's about it.
King size bed. Your thermostat. And you do have some sockets next to the bed. But this is it, guys. This is Comfort Inn Manhattan Midtown West, room 805. I'll see you when I see you.